Hello everyone, I am Jessica Ikabunog and we are the Group 3. Today we will be discussing about the lipids and oilseed biochemistry, a topic that plays an important role in agriculture, food production, and biofuel development. Lipids, commonly known as fats, are essential biological molecules. In oilseed crops such as soybeans, sunflower, and canola, lipids serve as major energy reserves and they are primary sources of the vegetables oils we use daily. Understanding how lipids are formed, stored, and processed in plants helps improve crop yield, nutritional value, and industrial applications. In this presentation, we will explore how oilseeds produce lipids, why they matter, and how biochemistry enhances agricultural practices.
Lipid basics of biosynthesis. So what are lipids? Lipids in oilseeds mainly exist as a trioxyglycerol, which consists of three fatty acids attached to the glycerol. This fatty acid can be saturated, monosaturated, or polyunsaturated, and their composition determine oil quality, affecting nutrient shelf life and industrial use. So next, lipid biosynthesis in oilseeds. Oil formation in seed happen through three major steps. First is fatty acid synthesis. Takes place in plastids, start with acetyl-CoA and builds into long-chain fatty acid through enzymes like ECC and FAS. Tag assembly. Tag assembly is a fatty acid moved to endoplasmic reticulum. Enzymes suck a DGAT assembly into triacylglycerol. And next, oil body formation. Our tags are packaged into oil bodies surrounded by oleosin proteins that protect oil during storage. This biochemical coordinate determines the oil content and quality of seed.
So, good day everyone. My name is Nicole Kyle M. Kalumbiran. So, I will be discussing about oilseed crops and agricultural importance. First is major oilseed crops. Common agricultural oilseed crops include soybean, leading global source of edible oil and protein meal. Next is canola, rapeseed, known for healthy, low-saturated fat oils. Next is sunflower, produces high-quality oils used in cooking. Peanut, popular in tropical agriculture. Palm oil, highest oil yield per hectare globally. Second is importance in agriculture. Oilseeds contribute to human nutrition, like vegetable oil, margarine, and cooking fats. Next is in animal nutrition. Protein-rich oilseeds meal for livestock. For industrial uses is lubricants, cosmetics, and soap. And then for the biofuel products is vegetable oils converted to biodiesel. Oilseeds supports food security and economic stability in many farming regions. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Jeffrey Johannes Carpina and I will be discussing the applications of lipid biochemistry. The first is improving nutritional quality. Breeders and biochemists develop high oleic oils for better health, stability, and longer shelf life. And the second, increasing oil yield. Advanced tools like CRISPR, gene editing, and marker-assisted breeding enhance to TAG formation and boost seed oil content. Third is oilseed processing. After harvesting, oilseeds go through mechanical pressing, solvent extraction, and refining. The leftover seed meal becomes valuable livestock feed. And the fourth is biofuel production. Vegetable oils undergo transesterification to produce biodiesel, a renewable and cleaner burning fuel. To wrap up all the discussion, Lipid and oilseed biochemistry is essential to agriculture. It influences food quality, livestock nutrition, industrial applications, and renewable energy production. Understanding this biochemical process helps in developing high yield, high quality, and sustainable oilseed crops.